In this video, I'm going to share my top 5 digital products that you can sell over the Christmas period. So hi, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello, I'm Sarah and I talk about creative ways that you can build financial freedom and create a purpose-led business. So if that sounds like something that you'd be interested in, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of any future videos. So the last 2 to 3 months of the year, as we all know, gives us the biggest opportunity to bring sales into our business. And selling digital products gives you the added bonus of not having to ship your products out to your customers, especially obviously this time of year when it's crazy busy with a postal service. So we obviously don't want to contend with that. And you can also sell your Christmas themed digital downloads right up until Christmas Eve. So let's get straight into it. My first festive digital product to sell during Christmas is Printable Games. So this can include things like family games such as Christmas bingo or crosswords or even activity pages for kids. These kind of digital products I do find sell right up until Christmas because people tend to scramble sort of last minute for things like this, and they are pretty simple to create using something like Canva or Adobe Illustrator if you have it, and you can also bundle them up to create sort of more listings either on your website or on Etsy or wherever you're selling them. I also do have a video on how to create activity pages using Canva, and included I have some free templates to get you started, which I will link in the description box. So on to number 2. So number 2 on my list of Christmas themed digital products is invitations. So well-designed invitations will always sell well at this time of the year. With the amount of parties, obviously it's a great opportunity to make sales from all of these festivities. So for design elements to add to your invitations, I find that Creative Fabrica is a fantastic resource, and I would only recommend resources that I have and do personally use myself. And their yearly plan is only around £55, so it's less than $70 for unlimited downloads. I do have a tutorial video as well on how to create editable invitations on Canva, which I will drop a link to below. So the next one on my list is gift tags. So I actually had a gift tag template on one of my Etsy shops, and it made me over £1,000 one Christmas. And it was a really simple editable PDF, which by the way, I would not recommend anymore as a way of delivering templates. But what I found was things like gift tags are really sort of inexpensive finishing touches that people like to buy last minute and add to their presents or decorations. Or simply that they've forgotten to buy gift tags when they're wrapping the presents up, so they would quickly go online and buy a printable one. I found the best-selling ones tend to be ones that customers can edit to include their names, and also having really good quality mock-ups to enhance your images can really make a difference to your sales. And I found realistic or sort of real life looking mock-ups tend to convert better. So the 4th digital product on my list of Christmas digital products is Scrapbook Papers. And this is a new one for me as I am currently creating my own batch of these for KDP, which I have a tutorial video in the works at the moment on how to create these papers, which I will link in the comments once I have it live. So it will be after this video. So Scrapbook Papers are really simple patterns or nice background designs that your customers would cut out and they would use them in their scrapbooks. So they can also be used for creating other crafts such as greeting cards, Christmas decorations, like those sort of paper chains that you would hang up, origami, lots of other crafts. So Christmas is a perfect time to create these to sell. You can create them in Canva for free, or Illustrator or Inkscape if you have as a free alternative. And you just need a few really simple elements to create sort of an ongoing pattern. My last digital product on my list that you can sell for Christmas is printable letters to Santa or from Santa, and they're really, really simple and quick to make in Canva. You can sell these as an editable template that your customer can add the name of their child to it, or simply as a printable. You can also bundle these up as a set to include things like activity pages, and you can market them for Christmas Eve. So some people do those sort of little Christmas Eve boxes for their children. So these are some really great ideas of things you can start selling straight away as Christmas digital products. And if you can think of any more, then obviously drop me a comment and let us know. So you can sell these digital products on Etsy, which I do, as well as your own website or a platform such as Gumroad or PayHip. And I have a video on how to create a free website for your digital products using PayHip, and I will link that as well. Thank you for watching my video. I really hope it's been helpful for you, and if you've enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.